Hey everybody, welcome back. This is section 5.2 and we're talking about exterior angles of a polygon. So here is an interesting diagram. This is an interactive diagram. You can see in this case we have a polygon. It is a pentagon. So there are 5 sides. And up at the top you can see that they are measuring and adding the exterior angles. So we have 40 degrees, plus 90 degrees, plus 67 degrees, plus 65 degrees, plus 97 degrees, and they all add up to 360 degrees. Now with this interactive diagram, we can take any of the vertices and drag them. So we can change the exterior angles. So let's say that I change my pentagon and change some of those angles. And you can see at the top the sum is still 360 degrees. So pretty interesting. Now let's change the number of sides. So let's go from a pentagon, let's go, how about a heptagon, right? So now we have 7 sides, so we have 7 exterior angles, and you can see they still all add up to 360 degrees. Now let's change some things around. Let's drag this out here. Let's make this, I don't know, like that. And let's drag that out there. So we're changing a bunch of the exterior angles, right? And you can see that they still add up to 360 degrees. Now, it's important to note here that, let me move this here to make it a little better for my next description. Look at the angles, the exterior angles. Let's say that we're rotating clockwise, so we're going around the polygon in this direction. So we take each side and extend it out this way. And then we take the next side and we extend it in the clockwise direction. Then the next side and we extend it in the clockwise direction. The next side we extend it in the clockwise direction. And then we keep going around in this clockwise direction, extending our sides. Right? What we don't do is we don't extend one of the sides in the clockwise direction and extend the next side in the counterclockwise direction. We would not want to do that. We want to pick one direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter which one, but pick one direction and stick with it, extending each of the sides in that same direction. Then take the exterior angle measures that you see here and add them up, and you can see it still equals 360. Let's go down to a triangle and just do it like this. Right, this one's pretty simple. So again, we're extending this side this way, and then we're going clockwise again this way, and we have this exterior angle, 131 degrees, extending this one this way, and we have this exterior angle. So each of these exterior angles have been created in the same way. You can see their measures, and up above you can see that they add up to 360 degrees. Of course, we can mess around with these angles and change them, but no matter what we change them to be, they still add up to 360 degrees. And as we just saw, this is going to happen no matter what kind of polygon we have, and no matter what those exterior angles are. We can even get crazy and go, we can invert it like this. Now we have this negative exterior angle, which is a little bit weird, right? Negative 73. But look, they still add up to 360. So it begs the question, like, why does this happen, right? Well, let's take a look at one more interactive diagram. So looking here at this interactive diagram, you can see that we have another pentagon, right? And our exterior angles have been created by extending the sides in that same direction. Again, they're going in the clockwise direction. You certainly could go in the counterclockwise direction, and that would be fine. But what we're going to do, we're going to play this and watch what happens. The polygon actually closes in on itself, right? And the exterior angles all converge to create one center point, and thus creating a circle of 360 degrees. So this is kind of a cool explanation to why the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon equals 360 degrees. So we finish up by writing down the exterior angle sum conjecture that states for any polygon, the sum of the measures of a set of exterior angles is 360 degrees. And I just real quick want to point out, notice they say the sum of the measures of a set. That's what I was talking about by going in one direction or the other, either clockwise or counterclockwise. By consistently going in that same direction, you are creating a set of exterior angles.